Hi, everyone. Hi, Widener. Hi, fellow classmates. Hi, Professor Poland. Is glad to be back in the swing of things. I'm so ready for this second field semester. But to jump right in, my name is Yolanda Johnson, and I live in Atlanta, Georgia. My field placement is a psychiatric hospital that serves all populations. That is one thing that I really like about my placement is that I'm able to engage with a lot of different clients at different developmental stages in their life with different diagnoses, from schizophrenia to major depressive disorder to bipolar, depression, to mania. I've seen a lot of things with my last semester of field, and I hope to keep engaging in being enlightened on the same thing this semester. But I really enjoyed working with those patients, learning about them and some of the experiences that they face. But what also was a challenge for me is just juggling it all. Being a student, as well as I'm a mom, as well as I have to work. It has been very difficult for me because sometimes I don't have time for myself. Last semester I had to really work out a better schedule because I was literally almost working 7 days. And that wasn't beneficial for me. So that has been a challenge, just find a balance in it all. I've learned to really be humble, to really think about things before I say them, to really learn how to build rapport with clients, to really be an active listener, to really want to be engaged, to meet goals, to contract with clients. I've learned how to really just be a active listener. You miss so much that is already displayed for you. So, that's where I'm at. I'm glad to be ready to finish. Well, I'm glad to finish my second half, and I look forward to meeting you all. Have a good one.